Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now? Check the vent orientation and choose a horizontal slat that's 5 to 2 cm thick for the best hold. Once done, wipe that slat with an alcohol pad so the rubber won't slip. Next, open the vent clip's clamp and inspect the rubber pads and spring tension. Make sure the clamp moves smoothly. Insert the clip gently at an angle so the pads contact the slat first, then rotate upright to seat it securely. Once the clip is seated, press the rubber pads flush against both faces of the slat so it won't wobble under load. Then place your phone in the holder and adjust the tilt or swivel so the screen is level and glare is minimized. This prevents repeated readjustments while driving. Make sure to tighten any thumb screws or engage the lock mechanism. Doing so transfers weight to the vent clip's frame instead of the fragile slat, reducing stress and improving stability. Finish by testing stability with short drives and gentle bumps so you can spot looseness before it matters. If you notice wobble, first tighten the clamp. If that fails, move to an adjacent slat or insert a thin rubber shim behind the clip to increase friction. Avoid mounting onto frost vents since heat can warp the plastic over time. If the clip still slips, replace worn rubber pads or choose a vent-mounted base with a wider clamp for a permanent solution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.